Hello learners, we'll go to the next options that most important options of the CLO is Gizmo. So Gizmo option is allows us to select a particular pattern in the 3D window. We can also rotate the pattern. We can move in 3D window. Okay. So mainly the Gizmo tool is 3D window based tool. Okay. So I will show you the where the tool is, right? So now when you are clicking this button, right, you are able to see this particular tool, right? Wherever you click on this particular pattern in 3D window, you will get this particular thing. This particular tool is called as Gizmo. Okay, so what actually the use of Gizmo is? So in Gizmo you will find there are three types are there mainly. One is arcs. Okay, so you can see arc is nothing but, see, you can see in the blue line, one is arcs, right? You have the arcs. Okay, so you can move this pattern like this in the same way. And another one is we have squares. Okay, so with the help of squares what we can do is we can move the pattern. Okay, with the help of squares you can move the pattern. Then with the help of arrows, you can see the arrows over here in the different coordinates. The arrows help us to move up and down in the different directions. Okay, so for example, if I am moving in this direction, we can move in the different directions. Arrow is there, right? So okay, so this is how in the different directions. So in Gizmo tool is an important tool we'll use for aligning the patterns on the avatars. So what we have, one is arc. Okay, this one is arc, the highlighted blue one. So whenever you click, when you place the cursor on it, it will be highlighted. Then you can use that particular arc. So you can rotate it. Okay, for rotation purposes you can see. So wherever you clicking, right, so that point will be considered from, for example, I have considered this particular point, so it is moving, rotating. So for example, I have considered this point, then I am moving. So from here you can rotate it. Okay, so the pattern can be rotated from this particular point where you have selected. For example, I am selecting in between. Now I'm using arc, right? So I can rotate this pattern with the help of arc. Then you can select squares. As I told you, square is for moving, allowing object in the selected plane, right? So I have selected, this is moving in the selected plane, I am moving it. Okay, this is the square one. Then what I have, arrows. So three arrows I will be having in the three direction: up, down, that side, right hand side, left hand side, and then inside, right? Okay, so inside and out, right? It's going to go outside. Okay, so arcs are also there in the different directions. Okay, three arcs. Blue one is there because it's a three-dimensional, right? So red, green, it denotes, the three denotes your arcs. Okay, in the preferences also you can see there are gizmos are three types. One is screen coordinate, local coordinate, world coordinate. Screen coordinate, in a sense, it coordinates the screen. Local coordinate is mainly for object selected, or whatever the object, based on the object that you are selecting. And the world is, your world coordinate is related to your 3D space coordinate. Okay, 3D space that you are using. Okay, so this is about your Gizmo tool. And one important thing is, in this, what happens, you can see this is the select tool or move tool. So when I go for simulation, for example, I am showing you, when I go for simulation process, what happens is this particular select tool will be, this particular select will be replaced by hand tool. Okay, So just I will show you simulation right now. Right, simulation happened. Now that gizmo will be converted into your hand tool. Okay, so this is ready. So once the simulation process is over, you will not find any gizmo over there. Okay, so you will have a this hand tool. So some students and other people will get confused, sir, I'm not getting gizmo tool here. So don't worry about that, because whenever you go for simulation, automatically that gizmo will disappear, and in place of that it is replaced by your hand tool. Okay, so this is related to your gizmo tool. Right.